Scar, guess what?
I despise guessing games.
I'm gonna be king of Pride Rock.
Oh, goody.
My dad just showed me the whole kingdom, and I'm gonna rule it all.
Yes. Well, forgive me for not leaping for joy. Bad back, you know.
Hey, Uncle Scar, when I'm king, what'll that make you?
A monkey's uncle.
You're so weird.
You have no idea. So, your father showed you the whole kingdom, did he?
Everything.
He didn't show you what's beyond that rise at the northern border.
Well, no. He said I can't go there.
And he's absolutely right. It's far too dangerous. Only the bravest lions go there.
Well, I'm brave. What's out there?
I'm sorry, Simba. I just can't tell you.
Why not?
Simba, I'm only looking out for the well-being of my favorite nephew.
Yeah, right. I'm your only nephew.
All the more reason for me to be protective. An elephant graveyard is no place for a young prince. Oops.
An elephant what? Whoa.
Oh, dear, I've said too much. Well, I suppose you'd have found out sooner or later. You being so clever and all. Oh, just do me one favor. Promise me you'll never visit that dreadful place.
No problem.
There's a good lad. You run along now and have fun. And remember, it's our little secret.
Hey, Nala. Hi, Simba. Come on, I just heard about this great place. Simba, I'm kind of in the middle of a bath.
And it's time for yours.
Mom! Mom, you're messing up my mane. Okay, I'm clean. Can we go now? So where are we going? It better not be any place dumb. No, it's really cool.
So where is this really cool place?
Oh. Around the water hole. The water hole? What's so great about the water hole? We'll show you when we get there. Oh. Mom, can I go with Simba?
What do you think, Sarabi?
Well,
Please?
it's all right with me.
Yeah!
As long as Zazu goes with you.
No, not Zazu.
Step lively. The sooner we get to the waterhole, the sooner we can leave.
So where are we really going? An elephant graveyard. Wow! Shh, Zazu. Right. So how are we gonna ditch the dodo? Oh, I know how.
Oh, just look at you two, little seeds of romance blossoming in the savannah. Your parents will be thrilled. What with your being betrothed and all?
Be what?
Betrothed, intended, affianced.
Meaning?
One day you two are going to be married.
Yuck! Ew. I can't marry her. She's my friend. Yeah, it'd be too weird.
Oh, sorry to bust your bubble, but you two turtle doves have no choice. It's a tradition going back generations.
Well, when I'm king, that'll be the first thing to go.
Not so long as I'm around.
Well, in that case, you're fired.
Nice try, but only the king can do that.
Well, he's the future king. Yeah. So you have to do what I tell you.
Not yet, I don't. And with an attitude like that, I'm afraid you're shaping up to be a pretty pathetic king indeed.
Not the way I see it. I'm gonna be a mighty king, so enemies beware.
Well, I've never seen a king or beast with quite so little hair.
I'm gonna be the main event, like no king was before. I'm brushing up, I'm looking down, I'm working on my roar.
Thus far, a rather uninspiring thing.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
You've rather a long way to go, young master, if you think.
No one's saying do this.
Now, when I said that,
No one's saying be there.
what I meant was...
No one's saying stop that.
What you don't
No one's saying
realize...
see here.
Now see here.
Free to run around all day.
Well, that's definitely out.
Free to do it all my way.
I think it's time that you and I arranged a heart-to-heart.
Kings don't need advice from little hornbills for a start.
If this is where the monarchy is headed, count me out! Out of service, out of Africa, I wouldn't hang about. Our child is getting wildly out of wing.
I beg your pardon, madam, but get off! Simba?